In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Word. If you've been seeing Copilot prompts or the Copilot button in Word and prefer a distraction-free editing experience, I'll walk you through exactly how to switch it off and make sure the change sticks. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. You can launch it from your Start menu or taskbar like you normally would. It's best to close any extra documents you don't need so we can focus on making the change once and avoiding confusion later. Once Word is open, head to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, choose Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where Microsoft puts most of the app's deeper settings. Think of it as the control center for how Word behaves. Inside Word Options, look for a section or tab labeled Copilot. In current versions of Word, Copilot has its own place in the settings, which makes it easier to manage. If you're on a recent Microsoft 365 build, you should see it listed in the left sidebar alongside familiar categories like General and Proofing. With the Copilot section open, look for a toggle or checkbox named something like Enable Copilot. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but it will clearly indicate whether Copilot is active in Word. This setting controls whether the Copilot experience is available, including the Copilot button and any related suggestions or prompts. Disable that setting by unchecking the box or turning the toggle off. This tells Word not to load Copilot features in your editor. If you're doing this to keep your workspace simpler, this change will help keep the interface focused on your writing and formatting tools. To make sure the change fully takes effect, close Word and restart it. Go ahead and exit Word completely, not just minimize it. Give it a moment, then open Word again. Restarting ensures Word reloads with your updated preference so the Copilot button and prompts don't reappear during your session. After restarting, you should no longer see Copilot in the ribbon or sidebar. If you still do, it may be because your organization manages this setting centrally, or your version of Word hasn't updated the interface yet. In those cases, the visibility can be controlled by your IT admin or by pending updates. That's all you need. You've turned off Copilot in Microsoft Word, keeping your editing environment clean and focused. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.